I think the most favorite part in this painting workshop was when I use the brushes to draw the background of the picture, yeah, and it made me feel that I'm so professional, and I feel, yeah, my background is a little bit good enough. Yes. Yeah, this is the first time I participated in a painting workshop, and also the first time I draw a picture of Fuji mouth. Yeah, and the thing that I appreciated most is I learned about how to mix the color into another color. Yeah, I only knew some simple one, but now I know more about it. I was bad at drawing the flowers because my blossoms look so big, and it is not natural. Yeah, and I want to change my skills to draw it more naturally and much more beautiful.